Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing a repeatable platform, feet shoulder width, weight slightly forward, and knees soft so you can absorb recoil. Next, take a firm but relaxed grip. Tension in your forearms ruins follow-up shots. Once the weapon meets your cheek, create a consistent cheek weld so your eye lines up with the sights every time. Make sure your head position feels natural. You want the same contact point on the stock for each shot, which builds accuracy. You should focus clearly on the front post while letting the rear sight appear slightly blurred. This is the key to precise alignment. Once the front post sits centered in the rear aperture and its top is level with the notch, check horizontal centering so the post isn't left or right. After that, confirm your natural point of aim and control your breathing, exhale partially and pause. When everything is steady, press the trigger smoothly. Consistent sight picture, plus a controlled trigger, produces repeatable. You must press the trigger straight to the rear with a steady, increasing force. If you jerk or anticipate, the sight picture breaks and the shot moves. Keep your sights aligned through the recoil, follow through, and don't immediately drop the rifle. Returning to your original sight picture confirms a clean shot. If shots are off, troubleshoot by rechecking cheek weld, confirming the front post focus, and isolating your trigger pull. Small fixes here usually cure most grouping problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.